We'll look at few problems based upon this force and pressure concepts. Here we look at one problem, that is the mass of a body of weight 50 Newton is x kilograms. Find the value of x. And here weight is given and mass is not given. Mass is to be determined and g value is given as 10 meter per second square. So as we know that whenever you are calculating the weight is nothing but the force due to the gravitational pull. That means it is nothing but a force only, that we are calling as weight when A you are taking in terms of g. So F is given or weight is given, then mass is not given, he is saying it as x kilograms, and acceleration due to gravity actually it is 9.8, but in the problem he asked us to take it as 10 meter per second square. Therefore we have the formula F is equal to ma for the force. So F is equal to m, in place of A I am writing g because it is weight is the quantity given us. So F is equal to weight, therefore A is replaced by g. Now weight can be taken as 50 here, x is unknown, 10 is the g value given. Substituting all the values and simplifying, you are getting x as 5 kilograms. That means a 5 kilogram mass when placed on the earth's surface where the acceleration due to gravity is 10, its weight is going to be 15 newtons. This is how the problem can be solved. Now we look at another problem, that is in the problem 2, the problem is given as the mass of a body is 60 kilograms. If a force of 180 Newton is applied on a body, what is its acceleration? That means this problem can be solved like this. So if at all you write the data, force is given as 180 Newtons and the mass is given as 60 kilograms, and he is asking us to find out what is acceleration. Therefore, using F is equal to ma, substitute the values given. 180 is equal to 60 multiplied by A. Therefore, simplifying this equation, I am getting 3 meter per second square as the acceleration. So here simply by using F is equal to ma, you can calculate the given parameter. Now we will see another problem which is associated with, the pressure. Let us say problem number 3. And here the data given as a force. It is just like a force of 35 newtons acting on a block of cross section 7 meter square. Find the pressure acting on it. This is the question given. See here, there is a block. So here I suppose this is the block I have. Here is the block, and now this is the cross section, and a force is acting like this, and the force is given as 35 newtons, and its cross sectional area is given as 7 meter square. So the data what we have is F is equal to 35 newtons and area of cross section is 7 meter square, and what is the pressure he is asking. So we have a formula P is equal to F by A. Now substitute the values over here. That comes out to be 35 divided by 7 equal to 5 Newton per meter square, or you can also call this as the Pascal. So the pressure exerted by this force on this cross sectional area is going to be 5 Newton per meter square. This is how the problem can be solved. So this problem is based upon a formula, pressure is equal to force per unit area. So looking at the problem, write down the given data in the formula, substitute the values, then simplifying you are going to get the pressure values. So this is what the problem can be solved.